Police say an employee of the Fresh Farms grocery store near Toohey and Lehigh saw the 2-year-old in a locked car that wasn't running and most of the windows rolled up in the parking lot at around 3:30 p.m.
Noticed that the child was sweating profusely. It was 94 degrees outside. He stayed by the vehicle for a little while looking to see if a parent or a caretaker would come.
Commander Robert Tornabene says after about 10 minutes, the employee called police and got the baby out of the car, took him inside the store, and gave him water. The child was fine. Police say 24-year-old Asel Uzbeyeva came to the car 20 minutes after the child was removed and offered no explanation for leaving him there. Police notified DCFS and released the baby to his father. Nancy Hardy, News Radio 105.9 FM.
A female Chicago police officer is facing one count of misdemeanor domestic battery. The officer, Marnie Washington, was assigned to bear Lightfoot security detail. The Tribune says Washington allegedly pinned a female acquaintance against a wall, ripped her clothing, and threatened her last week.
WBBM News Time 321. A TV and movie actor is offering her thoughts about marriage. Nancy O'Dell has that and more in today's WBBM Entertainment Tonight Report, sponsored by Hamilton County Tourism.
Priyanka Chopra says she never realized having a husband and a boyfriend are such different things. The 36